going on, YouTube? Another beautiful day here in Virginia. It's a weekday, Wednesday. We got the track to ourselves. It looks dry, but it looks like they recently graded some stuff, so I'm sure we're gonna have a great day on the dirt bike. Riding the KTM150SX. Buddy Patrick's here on his KX250F. Dude, KTM is running freaking crispy. Yeah, buddy. Wow, that inside line is so much faster. The edges of the track so I can cut these corners sharper. It's just too dry to really have a whole lot of traction and trust it. And I'm trying to keep my GoPro clean. Hopefully it's clean. Patrick's ripping these dry corners, man. A couple laps in and he's killing it. Woo! Felt like I almost landed him on that one. Goes for the pass. Alright, y'all, I know I talked about this in one of my previous videos, but this is like my new favorite thing. It's like a, I hate this word, but I guess it's a selfie stick that also can turn into a tripod. Some would call it a collapsible tripod. You just like loosen this little ring. This thing goes down like this. The tripod legs. Got my DJI Osmo Action 4 on top. And then basically, just extend it like this so we can get some clips. Nice and easy. Extend it, sit it on the side of the track. Easy peasy. We're just gonna hit this jump, get some clips. All right, now she's dialed in and recording. So if you're interested in something like this tripod, ball head, whatever, camera, I'll have all the links in the description if you wanna get one for yourself. Dang, Pat throwing a little sauce even. It's summertime, it's hot as shit. one yet. The clouds are beautiful. The breeze feels good. It's still hot as shit, but the breeze feels beautiful. And I gotta say, this is quite the picturesque view right here. Like the pond in the background, the tractors, my KTM. Patrick's a little bit in the way, but
Purple goggles.
Thank you, bro. Let's get it, son! Patrick and I are like seeing how far we can send this little, it's kind of a tabletop at this point, but it's mostly like a single roller to fourth. Oh my God, okay. That hurt, too far. See how far Pat sends it. That was better. That one I like scrubbed a little bit. Oh shit, he sent that one. This is the angle we need, right here. Yeah, buddy. All right, that's gonna be the end of the motovlog today. It was a great day out here with my buddy Patrick at Charles City Dirt Riders. Lots of fun. Ripping the old KTM150. I'm really glad to be back on the bike. I hope you guys are enjoying the KTM150 content. If you liked the video, please make sure to leave it a thumbs up. And if you have a comment for me, positive or negative, head on down to the basement and leave me a comment there. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.